Yeah, good morning everyone. Hey, today I will be reviewing this one-of-a-kind bicycle, which is another brand of falling bike. This is a Dahon Boardwalk. Yeah, Shimano shifter with a 12 speed in it. So I'm going to test ride, review, and how does it feel? Is it worthy to buy this brand or it's not worthy? We will see how. Yes, okay, I'll be testing this ride, this boardwalk on a climb. So it feels great. Looks like she can manage. But we'll see how in the more steeper climbs. Today, all back to normal. Just finished the voting 2 days ago, and now everything is back to normal. Going back to the office. Yeah, road bike. I'm gonna chase this road bike. Chase, chase, chase. Yeah. See if we can chase this road. Yeah, she stopped. Doesn't want to be followed. So now solo pace. Yeah. Yeah, Dahon Boardwalk looks for me it's very speedy and quite fast. I like the setup. I like the gearing. I like the timing and the tuning. Okay, this Dahon Boardwalk is worth to buy, especially if you do a proper setup, proper upgrades. If you are into upgrades, or just keep it stock, it's not the ride. It's the ride. When you enter Barangay Paho, there is 2 climbs here that you will encounter upon the entrance before you go to Meycauayan Eco Park. So this is the first climbs. Yeah, the gearing of this Dahon Boardwalk setup is perfectly smooth, and it is on the right timing. It's shifting fast, and it gives me more resistance to climbs. So it's really amazing. So this is the entrance point of going to Meycauayan Eco Park. This is the first steep climbs that you will encounter or you will face once you arrive here. This is the greenery of there. Right, try again. Slippers, somebody left it. Okay, shucks. Okay, I forget it. Right. Yeah. That's the last climbs going up to Meycauayan Eco Park. I hope they are starting now. What time is it going to start? What time? Yeah, so all my 4D bike enthusiasts, I'm introducing you this Dahon Boardwalk, and this has a nice setup of 12 speed Shimano. Yes, you can see these are all the gearing, and these are all the setup. Yes, this is the Kariktan ng Meycauayan. This is the newly opened Meycauayan Eco Park. I cannot remember when was it started to open, but I will check it for you and I will put it on the description. It rained last night, so you have to be very careful with this pathway. Quite a slippery. Alright, looks like I got the wrong shoes then. And the rest. Okay, so this is the place. Yes. They don't allow bicycle inside. Probably I'm just only at the entrance point. Gotta put the bike. Hindi pa. Like they got a large area here that you can move around and stroll. also has a playground. It's kind of slippery. But it rained last night. Much better you go here in dry and sunny day and dry. Meycauayan. So they're going to leave the bike in this area. They have a parking space for the bicycle. So if you're going to visit here, make sure you bring your own lock. For me, I don't bring my lock, so just leave it anyway. And then I just go for a quick round inside and then go outside. Just make a quick rounds. So sir, we can bring the bicycle inside so that we can get a good picture of the bicycle inside. It is a large area, big place. So now I'm just gonna make some one round view of the place so that you can see the whole area. I don't want to show you everything because once you see everything. Alright, there you have it. Try to visit here. Let's see, yeah, fine. I think there's some more things needs to improve here in this place. For me, it's not yet really fully complete, but they can give more traction in this place. They can put more attraction. And outside they have to add more of cafeteria or cafe or a restaurant. It's a good place you can bring your kids. Yeah, you can see different birds. Guinea fowl. What is this? A donkey? Small kubu houses. Miniature horse. Yeah, ducks. There's a lot of variety. Not a lot. I mean, there's a few variety of animals that you can see around this place. Wash area. Yeah, it's a nice place to visit with your kids. But I suggest you came here in dry times. Now it's quite wet and slippery. You have to take care of yourself walking around in this pathway. But there are some area which is dried. Look at that toilet. Nice toilet. Still that's the edge, the other end of the tower that you can do the zip line. And the sad part is you cannot bring your bicycle inside to grab some photo. But it's worth a while to walk around, and it's better, and you can exercise as well. So you can do both at the same time. You cycle, you walk, all together. Look at these animals. Yeah, beautiful. Nice. Okay, tapuan ng Sintang Mahal. If you have any new girlfriend or latest girlfriend, alright. I think it's good place to hang around, visit, and enjoy and relax. And just feel the greenery of the place. Good place. Next generation, so that they can experience how life will do this, not always work. Yeah, probably the future are gonna add this place in the fold and roll route plan. So for now, just a few clicks, but better you can see it by yourself. So probably in the future, are gonna add this. So hope next time you will join the fold and roll ride, and let's do the planning. We'll do the arrangement. You just bring your bike and just enjoy, and just bring some extra cash. That's it. Yeah, bye. Okay, this is the exit.